What is going on, everybody? Zach from the Trading Network here. Hope you guys are doing well. Just wanted to make another video for you guys today. This one's a little different. Saw this scalp opportunity present itself in real time and wanted to try and capture it on a screen recording. So as you can see here, we have price pretty violently moving down to a very clear level of support. We have a Fibonacci pivot point. We have a market profile level, which is the July 22nd point of control. And we also have the second lower deviation of my VWAP bands, which are one of my proprietary custom indicators. And you can see in this trade that I'm trying to fill two separate positions of two contracts. And the first position was what I refer to as a feeler position. So I like to sometimes enter with about 50% of my size to get a feel for how the market's moving. So you can see here that I got filled on both my contracts, and my average entry is 32.55.50. And price pretty quickly is moving up here towards my first take profit target. Now, in addition to the clear support levels that I have right there, one of the other big indications why I took this trade was that we had divergence, bullish divergence to be precise. And that is another high probability indication of a reversal after a large extension in price. So you can see I have my first take profit right around the top of my Bollinger Bands. That's typically where I like to pull some profit in. And in this case, I'm just taking one contract in because I think there is a pretty high probability that this trade is going to go back up to the July 22nd value area high at 32.59.50. So at this point, I'm kind of just sitting in my trade. I'm letting it play out, not really thinking about it too hard. I have a lot of stuff in my favor in this particular scenario. So I'm just letting the trade play out and using the wind at my back, as we say. So as you can see here, I'm letting price breathe. I'm not really getting spooked out of this trade or anything, even though I'm seeing a little bit of pushback. And a lot of that is due to having the stochastics at a really good level on the 1000 tick, which is the bottom oscillator. And they appear to have more room to the upside, as I would say. So you can see my first take profit just gets hit. And when that happens, I typically like to move my stop to break even, especially if I have a little bit of room between my entry and where price currently is. And price is pretty nicely moving up towards that value area high area at 32.59.50. So again, I'm just being patient. I'm letting the trade play out. Had a lot of technicals in my favor. And you can see here that very shortly I will hit my take profit. And that is pretty much that. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.